Everyone has their own preferences when it comes to how their music sounds, and Sound ID will help find the right settings for you. Integrated into Corsair iCUE software, Sound ID easily personalizes the settings of compatible Corsair gaming headsets to match your unique audio preferences. Make sure that you've installed the latest version of Corsair iCUE. Before opening up Sound ID in iCUE, make sure that you're connected to the internet and that you've got a compatible Corsair headset connected to your system. Once you've loaded up Corsair iCUE, navigate to the tile for your Corsair headset and select Sound ID in the left navigation. Follow the prompts to create your unique Sound ID profile. This will consist of taking various listening tests, and through the Sound ID algorithm, it will create your unique audio profile based on your own listening preferences. Once completed, simply activate your Sound ID profile on your headset and start enjoying your favorite games and music. Since your Sound ID profile tunes your audio EQ for you, you no longer need to adjust EQ settings. But if you would like to adjust your own audio EQ or select one of the presets, simply turn Sound ID off. And that's it! Corsair gaming headsets powered by Corsair iCUE with Sound ID take the guesswork out of tuning your headset audio. Thanks for watching!